In this video, we'll learn VS Code shortcuts to increase productivity. Firstly on the list, we have the command palette. With Ctrl-Shift-P, we can open the command palette. And from here, we can create new folders or files. We can access settings, extensions, and such. So instead of going through menus, we can just use this feature and save ourselves some time. Instead of going through a bunch of menus to open the Settings tab, we can use Ctrl plus comma. With this shortcut, it's more easier to access the Settings tab and it's faster than going through the menus. To create a new file, instead of using our mouse and going through all of these menus here, we can just use the Ctrl plus N shortcut to create a new file. With Ctrl plus W, we can close the current tab. With Ctrl plus B, we can toggle the sidebar. What I like to do is I open up my files that I'm going to use and I close this sidebar so I can have a little more screen space. Another tip is zooming in or out. I probably use this daily, whether it's zooming in to make the code bigger for a video or zooming out so I can see the full code. I use this one a lot. So with Ctrl plus, minus or plus keys, we can zoom in or zoom out of the screen. And if you enable mouse wheel zoom feature from the settings, you can use the mouse wheel instead of using the keys. We can move a line with Alt plus up or down keys. Alt plus down key, we are moving the line downwards. And with Alt plus up, we're moving the line upwards. If we want to move a line, instead of cutting and pasting the line, this might be more useful. With Ctrl plus L, we can select the entire line. So instead of using our mouse, we can do this one with our keyboard as well. If you want to copy the current line you're on, we can use Shift, Alt, and up or down keys. With Shift, Alt, and up key, we can copy the line upwards, and with Shift, Alt, and down key, we can copy the line downwards. This one is probably in my most used shortcuts list. I use this one a lot as well, whether it's for creating divs or lists. If I'm going to need something more than once, I mostly use this shortcut to duplicate the items, and I edit the duplicated lines when I need them later in the code. We can use Alt and mouse click to set multiple cursors. While holding the Alt key, just click on the places you want to add a cursor to. And with this one, you can write multiple lines of code at the same time and edit multiple lines at the same time. Or instead of using Alt and mouse click, we can use Ctrl D to highlight the lines, and if we hit Ctrl plus D again, we'll have the multiple cursors again. Instead of using our mouse to navigate between the tabs, we can use Ctrl plus Tab to switch between the tabs. Here we'll get a list of all of the open tabs and we can choose the tab we want to work with and switch to that tab. To switch to the tab, you just need to hit Ctrl plus Tab a few times. And when you're on the tab you want to switch to, you just hit Enter. With Ctrl K and Z, we can enter the Zen mode. I really don't know who is a target audience for this mode. Maybe if you don't want to get distracted by the stuff on the screen, you might want to use this mode. I like how the code gets centered on the screen, so this might be useful for someone. If you want to exit this mode, just hit Escape on your keyboard. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this one.